Good morning, Concordia. It's another update from Zollner Field. You can see behind me that much of the site work has been completed here. We'll turn the camera around here in a second, take a look at some different things. But we're excited about the progress here at Zollner. We want to give you a quick update. So we'll turn the camera. And as you can see, much of the work out here has been done. We're standing on the south end of the football field. And this area in front of us will all be track surface, and then the surface in front of us obviously be the new turf. A lot of things going on. If you can see out in the distance there, we'll get that a little close up, but the scoreboard has started to go up. A lot of progress happening out here. Hoping to start seeing some green turf come down in the next week or so, and it could be exciting progress. Another exciting development out here at Zollner Complex is that 4 of the tennis courts are completed. They're currently working on the next set of 4. Hopefully those will be done by the end of the week. And then next week they'll finish the last set of 4 tennis courts. So you can see a little bit of here what the tennis courts look like now. And here's what the tennis courts used to look like. As you can see, a significant upgrade to our tennis complex. And now we're underneath the visitor bleachers. And what you're seeing in front of you, the big black surface, is the smaller portion of the new video scoreboard. Excited to see that go up. If you're driving by school on Wednesday or Thursday, the 29th or 30th of July, you might actually see parts of this going up. The larger piece is over there on the far end of the bleachers. You can't see it very well, but that's another piece of the video scoreboard and a bunch of other structure here for that as well. Just to give you an idea of scale of the new scoreboard, this is the old scoreboard sitting here. It's probably about 10 feet tall and 20 feet wide. And this is one section of the new video board. It's about 12 feet tall and 25 feet wide. So we're real excited to see that go up. Now we get to the piece where you can see it from the road. You can see it from the Coliseum, actually. New scoreboard structure. The bottom 2 panels are in already. The bottom's an ad panel. If you're interested in putting an ad on the scoreboard, make sure you contact Greg Rayberg in our development office. He'd be happy to talk you through that process. You can see how big the new board is. It's about 3 stories tall. And the static part of the board is up. The next 2 panels to go on are the video panels. Again, great updates from up here. We'll give you another update in a couple of weeks as turf starts to drop on the field. We're real excited to see our cadet soccer teams and football teams, lacrosse teams perform out here, play out here, and then track teams in the spring. Just excited about all the possibilities at our new facility.